Hello, my name's Samuel Meekum, and this is my Geo Narrative 3. I chose Prompt C, a language within a language, and so this is my presentation on the language Quechua. So, the language Quechua, it's mainly spoken by people in and around Peru, and this was until the Spanish colonization created many different dialects, and that's now spread throughout South America. In this map over here, you can see a modern-day picture of the language Quechua, and so this map represents the second language, this official second language of each country in South America. So you can see this top country here is Ecuador. Their second language is Quechua. This is Peru, where the main focus of Quechua was started from the Incas, and then this is Bolivia. So throughout there's many different dialects based on just where it is. The people who speak Quechua, there are around 8 million people who speak Quechua, as it's one of the official languages of Peru, alongside Spanish being the first official language. It is spoken in many different ways depending on the region where it is spoken, since it's one of the remaining main indigenous languages in modern day. And so these couple photos over here, they're photos of a celebration in Ecuador, I believe. And the name of the celebration is La Virgen de las Mercedes, and it's a festival in Latacunga, Ecuador, and it's a Roman Catholic religious festival celebration. But these are a couple photos of just modern day people who speak Quechua, or are mainly in the area that speaks Quechua. And so I just thought I would include that to get a modern day picture of the people. So the origin of Quechua, since it's the largest spoken indigenous American language throughout Latin America, it started as a language family from the Incas, it started from the Incas, but then as soon as the Spanish colonization happened, it changed because the Incas did not have a written language. So Quechua, they didn't have the ability to write it down, so depending on where it was in the country, it was different based on the regions and the words they needed for that place. But especially when the Spanish colonization happened and they introduced Spanish, and it changed how Quechua was written, how it was spoken, and you can see in this map over here a list of different dialects of Quechua, and you can see their main spoken areas in the three countries, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. And to finalize this presentation, or to end it, I wanted to show you 6 words in Quechua, Spanish, and then in English. So this word in Quechua is tío in Spanish or uncle in English. This word in Quechua is tía in Spanish and then aunt in English. These 2 words are abuelo in Spanish, and then English it's grandfather. These 2 words in Quechua are abuela in Spanish, and then English it's grandmother. And then I thought I'd finish with I and you. So this word in Quechua means I, or yo in Spanish, and then this word in Quechua means you in English, or tú in Spanish. And so thank you for watching. This was my presentation on Quechua. This is my 3rd Geo Narrative.